Welcome to the channel that encourages you to be doing stuff today. We are once again at Walt Disney World's Blizzard Beach Water Park in Orlando, Florida. You may have seen my other Blizzard Beach video, which is a full tour of the water park, including a lot of POV slides. If you haven't seen that video yet, click this link and check it out. But this video is more of my family and I having fun at the park. We were actually there to celebrate my niece's birthday party, so we had a ton of family in the park. But there are some tips in this video, such as you do not need to bring your towels. They are provided by Blizzard Beach. Another tip, when your feet are burning up on the ground, look for the water sprinklers. They're all around the park, and you're definitely going to need them during a hot summer day in Florida. These were located right above the lazy river, which made us want to jump in. So let's go have some fun. I should mention that we did take advantage of the free water park access when you stay at a Disney resort. This is probably one of the best perks Disney has come up with. After the lazy river, we decided to go over to Teamboat Springs, where we were going to ride the family ride. This is one of my son's favorite rides. The lines were very long this day, so again, those water sprinklers definitely came in handy. But now we're on, so let's enjoy the ride. When you're done with this ride, you get to put the tubes back up on the conveyor belt, take a quick little dip to cool off, and then check out this cool not-so-hidden Mickey, made out of tubes and rafts. This was my failed attempt at a boomerang video. After my delicious Banana Cabana drink, we decided to head over to the kid area. The last time my son tried the zip line, he did a complete backflip, and honestly I was hoping to have it recreated. He didn't get hurt, and he wasn't even scared. I just didn't get it on camera. And I was hoping I would. Unfortunately, it wasn't, but this is still fun to watch. These zip lines are located in the Ski Patrol training camp, and they are designed for kids who are 60 inches or less. This crazy tube slide is called Cool Runners and is also located in the kids area. I was sure I was going to drown here. Next on the agenda is the Toboggan Racers. This slide features 8 side-by-side lanes for guests to line up and race down. You go head first while laying on your stomach on a foam mat down the 250-foot racetrack. To get there, you have to go up the stairs to the purple slopes, which house the Toboggan Racers and the Snowstormers. Comment below with who you think is going to win.
On your mark, get set, go!
You win!
And for the final ride today, we're going to head down one of the 3 Snowstormer slides. Don't forget to check out my other water park videos, including Typhoon Lagoon. As always, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button for more content like this. Until next time, thank you for watching.